All right, folks, good morning. Brief resume. Today, I recommended selling the position in this company, Unusual Machines, for $23, the price target. Notice that the share price doubled since the insight it was published on the website. So what I'm going to do here is to click here on annotate to leave here the note. Price target $23. Alex is out. So congratulations to everyone. Now, having said this, I'm going to move on to this company here that I told you recently that it was going to crash. You find this on YouTube. Sell and go short. 404, free plan, rating, strong sell. Price target 235, added 10 times to short. So price target lowered, and we did not cover. All right, so I'm going to explain. You find this in the free plan. We announced months ago that this stock it was going to double. So the stock doubled to the price target. Then it collapsed twice due to my calls. I gave it a price target 235, but meanwhile we lowered the price target and we increased the short position. Okay, and this has been done to maximize profits while increasing the pain on US retail investors. That is the primary objective. Having said this, moving on to the next one, you find here ULTA Beauty. So I had a price target $700, which you find published since 2024 and reiterated in 2025 on the website when Warren Buffett quit investing in this company. We recommended adding to the long side at $500 and the price target to be $700. So above the price target, what we did, it was to announce you are going to sell your stake in ULTA Beauty and reverse into the short side. So you find here a head and shoulders pattern, absolutely perfect. This is the head with a trade alert in real time published on social media, YouTube, Facebook, X, and so on. Verified timestamp, I repeat, in real time. And all this region here to open the short position, as I explained recently in the case of Goldman Sachs, the same. Okay? Opening, selling Goldman Sachs for $960 plus, and opening a large short position in Goldman Sachs, where you find the stock here today. Okay? So Goldman Sachs is better than ULTA Beauty. Today you find ULTA Beauty at $540. This basically overnight. So during this process, 100%, not 100%, 99% of Wall Street remained bullish, They increased price targets. Wall Street increased price targets. Just like in Duolingo, the company that I told you to sell for 544 going short. So the pattern is always the same. They raise the price targets ahead of crashes. So you were told to sell and to go short by the algorithm. I repeat, it is impossible to miss this because this was published in real time all over the web. Well, having said this, if you can do this in your trading account, whether the case of ULTA Beauty or the case of Goldman Sachs or the other cases that I mentioned here, like AVAV and Duolingo, you can contact me. I'm going to put it here. $100 million is yours. Likewise, if you prove this is fake, you get 100 million. And you are free to compare our work to the rest of the industry. Okay? Thank you.